SSI.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Puerto Rico, international. You're too important. Tell me what you're waiting for. Puerto Rico, international. You're too important. Tell me what you're waiting for. Unbelievable. What you waiting for? Unbelievable. Tell me what you're waiting for. Unbelievable. What you waiting for? Unbelievable. Tell me what you're waiting for.
I've been radio, and first I was born with a canyon. 6 a.m. I'm packing, I'm 6 a.m. I'm texting. You wishing me like I don't need it. You give me that gift, I don't need it. My private jet is leaving soon. Give me my bag, I'm leaving soon. I tell you this thing for no reason. Come to me for your reading. I did this on my own. Can't you see no more shaking? You don't know what I do know. This thing gonna blow in the first my boy. Even if I was stuck to the PTV, but you gonna get the info. I swear I'm gonna land in Puerto Rico. Ain't no need for your drive, I'm Sean Rico. I'm just a man, I rap Steve Pico. Ain't no limits, can we meet in Puerto Rico?
International, you're too important. Tell me what you're waiting for. Puerto Rico, international, you're too important. Tell me what you're waiting for. Unbelievable, what you waiting for? Unbelievable, tell me what you're waiting for. Unbelievable, what you waiting for? Unbelievable, tell me what you're waiting for.
Ay, since the day I get here, I've been a problem, my nigga. Showing niggas plans, everything I touch is lit. I've been doing collabos with homies abroad. Pelamin and push a spiny and bring it to fire. I've been putting staggy on the map, that's my hood. I've been acting hella cocky when I'm in the hood. Everybody in the hood knows I'm a god. Taking salad to the way, yeah, that's my job. Pusha, panda, when I found food from the time I'm in the final get to you, as you can do this. Tell him push and pan and buga selling bella sell buga nyala suspangana international.
Puerto Rico, international, you're too important. Tell me what you're waiting for. Puerto Rico, international, you're too important. Tell me what you're waiting for. Unbelievable, what you waiting for? Unbelievable, tell me what you're waiting for. Unbelievable, what you waiting for? Unbelievable, tell me what you're waiting for.
That right, yeah, I really got the work ethic. Top notch, that's how I get it. You can see I already got the sauce, proper fitted with the local merch, baby. I've been thinking quite a lot lately. I got major talent, so you should pay me. I am international with the bars. Respect my name, repeat routine on daily. Y'all should stop with the man-made drugs. It's messing with you, that's something I can't make up. We out here trying to get our damn weight up. We cannot even stop if your man's waved us. You know me, ayy, I gotta get my G's, ayy. I'm not low-key, no. Rest easy, Kobe, ayy. I got it all on lock, yeah, I'm poppin'. I will never stop until I got it. I'm meant to be on top, getting profit. Tasco, yeah, we got it. Don't give up till we hit Puerto Rico.